So guys, this is the office that I've worked in for the past 2 years. This place it has become like second home to me. Like, I'm so comfortable in this office. It has really, it holds a lot of memories for me. This office has had me listen to so many things that I've had conversations of all kinds with people in this office. Teachers have received counsel from me in this office. I've cried in this office with the teachers. I've prayed with teachers. I've solved problems with teachers here. I've had good moments with my director in this office. I've had encounters with children in this office. I've had encounters with parents in this office. So many things have happened in this space. I've created things in this office. Even some of my videos, I've sat down here to make them. Some of my YouTube videos, I've sat down to make them here. That's how supportive this environment has been to me. I'm really, really going to miss my office. I'm going to miss working in Greenridge. I'm going to miss being the head of school for Greenridge because it was a very fulfilling position for me, but I'm going to miss coming into the solitude of my office and just doing whatever I had to do. I really loved the view of my office. I'm going to show you, I don't know if I'll capture it. Just over there is the Jabi Lake. I don't know if my camera is going to do a good job, but I can see ShopRite from over here. So sometimes I just leave the window open and sorry about that. Sometimes I just leave the window open and let the breeze from the lake come in. I hear the birds chirping. Some mornings I come in really early and I'm just praying over my day and listening to all these natural sounds. I am thoroughly going to miss my office. Most likely from now onwards, when I come in here, someone else is going to be on this seat. So I'm going to be coming in as a visitor, but it's okay. Time changes yesterday. People come and people go. But I'm just so thankful to Greenridge for the opportunity to have served as the first head of school. This place is good ground. It's a good school. If you're in Abuja and you're fishing for a school for your little ones between the ages of 0 to 10, there's space for you in Greenridge. You should check it out. It's a very warm, friendly environment. And I know for a fact that that's one thing almost everyone here enjoys. The peace, the warmth, the friendliness. We're empathetic people. I still say we because yes, though I'm living as the head of school, I'm still a part of the school. Okay? So I have mixed feelings. But I have to do what I have to do. I had this board where I used to stick all sorts of things. There are also little notes from my kids. They used to write me all these notes and I'll just stick them here. Dear Miss Coupe, you're the best head of school ever. I love you. My regards to Junior. These things that warm the heart. Yeah, and I used to stick, reminders, just things I needed to do. I've thrown a whole lot of them away and I'm going to do more of that later. I had this little space here which was supposed to be for me to put up my bag, but most times I used to forget, so I'll just threw my bag on the floor because the floor is nicely rubbed and is always clean.
Later that same evening. One eternity later.
So hello everybody, thank you for watching my vlog up till this point. This was my first real attempt at vlogging. I don't know how it's going to come out, but if you're seeing this, then it means that I followed through with the vlog. I tried to do like little videos of the different things I had to do today, but the reason why I decided to vlog today is because I just wanted to document that it was my last official day at work. So even though I know that I'm still going to have to go back to work every now and then, to my former workplace every now and then, because I've not like fully finished handing over. I'm not even sure I've handed over anything, but officially today was my last day, so I wanted to document it. And so many things, like there's just so many emotions today for me, just thinking about everything. When I was in my office, I was thinking about the whole 9 months that I spent in that office, the baby that I gave birth to while I was in that office, and it's just a whole lot. It's a whole lot. I'm really thankful to God for everything, and yeah, thank you for watching. Please leave me a comment. If you haven't subscribed already, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.